versus Goliath. It's how Jamaica coach Winifred Schaefer described his team's matchup against the United States, saying, "We have to hit the giant where it hurts most." But U.S. coach Jurgen Klinsmann hasn't underestimated these self-proclaimed minnows.
Very tough team to play. That Jamaica that totally deserves to be in those semifinals. They probably are the best prepared team in this competition. We expect a real battle tomorrow night.
Sunday, July 26th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern, Jamaica and Mexico face off at Lincoln Financial Field in Philadelphia. Few would have predicted that Jamaica would be contesting the final of the 2015 Gold Cup. Yet after 2 wins and a draw in the group stage, a hard-fought quarterfinal win over Haiti, and the extraordinary victory over the United States in the semifinals, the Caribbean side has the chance to create history. Playing with confidence and without fear, the Reggae Boys have every chance of capping an incredible journey by lifting the Gold Cup trophy.
En posición adelantada, el centro al corazón del área, ¡guardado! ¡Mamita querida, qué golazo! ¡Gol!
aquí ese uno te puede dar mucho si lo administras bien.
Ha robado la pelota México buscando el espacio. El disparo. ¡Qué gol! ¡Qué gol!
Ahí metiendo el servicio. Llega por Aguilar, mete servicio, la cubierta Uribe. Recibir y colocarse para disparar. ¡Tiro! ¡Motos! 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 ¡Gol! ¡De Jamaica! ¡El gol!
Trophy has been lifted and Mexico are out on the town partying here in Philadelphia. I'm Andrew Wiebe, next to me, Calen Carr, and Calen, our Gold Cup journey is over. El Tri 3-1 winners against Jamaica here at Lincoln Financial Field. Andres Guardado, the Golden Ball winner of the tournament, the most valuable player, starting the scoring off with a beautiful left-footed volley. Second half goals from Tecatito Corona and Oribe Peralta were the difference on the night. Vancouver Whitecaps striker Darren Maddox did get a late consolation goal, but it was too little, too late for the Reggae Boys, Calen.
Well, Jamaica's obviously going to be disappointed in the locker room tonight, getting so close to actually surprising all of North and Central America in the CONCACAF tournament, but put people on notice that this is a team to be reckoned with going into World Cup qualifying. Giles Barnes had an excellent tournament, but it was Mexico's day.
So proud, bro, you know, so proud of the team, so proud that we've shown the country what we're capable of, you know, giving our country something to be proud of. Take good heart out of this and get ready for the World Cup.
Everybody in Jamaica and outside from Jamaica have to be proud about this team. And for me this is not silver, for me this is gold. Yeah. Nobody gave us a chance.
Here's Jamaica, maybe some energy here, they've scored. It's ripped into the far side netting. Beaten at the near post. Romario Williams. Nice give and go. Space carved out. Top of the box. Shooting opportunity. Oh, what a smack. And what a hit from Darren Maddox.
Y ahí está el balón para Gallardo, posición de trazo, levanta la pelota, Cubo, ¡palo! Esos son los que esperan el servicio, viajó la pelota, ¡remate! Se salvó Jamaica de milagro, gracias a Jermaine Taylor. Mira, aquí está la repetición del posible penal, ¿lo empuja?
Es penal. Para mí es penal. A ver,
sí, ¿no?
A ver en esta repetición.
Le tiró el codo, ¿no?
Mira, allá se ve esto.
A ver, mira.
En esta.
No.
Enclosed stadium here to stave off the 93-degree weather outside, and direct they go off the top here. Jamaica with a chance to go up early. Huge missed opportunity for the man who has been scoring a few goals, Romario Williams. Marroquin, it's a good ball. It's Bonilla. Can he get a shot? It's 1-0 El Salvador. La Selecta has hit the score sheet first here in the 15th minute with desires of moving on here in the Gold Cup.
Oh, this is just a great little touch from Martin to Bonilla, and Bonilla rides the push from low so brilliantly. This is just great placement, good connection, and Blake can do nothing about it.
Powell, he's got a crossing opportunity, whips it in. Oh, what a save, Carrillo. Romario Williams was there. This is bang bang. Getting set to come on. Watson floats it to the back post. They're claiming handball. We're going to the penalty spot. It's a disaster here for El Salvador. Again, Carrillo has already saved the penalty in this tournament. Maddox. Carrillo gets the right way, won't get there. Jamaica has tied it up. The Reggae Boys trying to bring themselves back in this one.
De la MLS.
Ojo que la roba Mattox y este es inquieto y huele a peligro. Viene Jamaica, tira al centro, del otro lado puede ser. ¡Gol! De Jamaica. Pasando el minuto 5.
De renovación con varios futbolistas jóvenes.
Y Zambrano tiene mucho que ver. Aquí viene Jamaica mano a mano y viene el segundo. Tapa el arquero. Tapó Borian cuando llegaba Mattox. Viene Francis, le queda para la zurda. Le achica Arfield. Como rueda de auxilio apareció Lambert. Y aquí viene por afuera Albas Powell. Powell para la zurda. Powell.
Eligió interinamente, después lo oficializaron.
Williams. Golazo. ¡Gol! De Jamaica sobre el minuto 5. Izquierda, toca atrás y le queda Mattox que viene picado. Mattox que recorta de nuevo, es un golazo. Mattox cerquita del palo lejano otra vez. Hoyle por fin escapándose por adentro. Si juega por afuera llega Tevez, pero Hoyle quiere a colocar. Golazo. ¡Gol! De Canadá, minuto 61.
Lawrence has put it down. It's Lawrence, Binns, or Gordon from 20, call it 24 yards out. Lawrence! Come on, Lawrence has scored for Jamaica!
Gold Cup final, trying to win it for the 6th time.
Richie gave it away. Ariola's touch to the feet of Morris. Able to keep it. He's caught in the face. Morris is down. Altidore plays on. Looking for space. Altidore! Saved by Blake! Can he get back to it? He saves Acosta! The ball is sitting on the line. Damian Lowe spins away from Kellen Acosta. Morris back to his feet. Blake, though, is down behind the play.
Terrible feeling when you're out there and you're in the final. You want to be a part of every single minute. So that'll be a tough pill for Andre Blake to swallow as well, knowing that now it's out of his hands.
So you can test Dwayne Miller. It's Altidore over the wall, and that one is in. Josie Altidore from a long way out. The opening goal for the United States.
Technique from Josie, and I think what throws off Miller here is that he starts it centrally and it's hit with that bend, and he has to wait to see which way it's going to go. What a wonderful piece of technique.
Really special from Josie Altidore. These finals end up needing a
special play to win, and Josie just made the play that may end up being the difference.
Walton amongst the targets. Everyone but Ariola back to defend this for the U.S. Lawrence, the in-swinger. Howard staying at home, and it's in! And Javon Watson! It is a stunning equalizer from Jamaica. They only needed that one moment. Their first shot creates a goal in the 50th minute, and it's back to square one for the United States.
Morris, who gets beat at the back post, and it is. He's got his eyes on him, and Watson gets a good move. He just spins off the back of him. And Jordan Morris had a clearance off of a corner in the first half that he just had gotten to, and he just gets beat here. He switches off for a half second. Landon, in the first half, we talked about set pieces, changing these games, little moments. Josie had one for the U.S., and Watson has gotten one here for Jamaica.
Zardes. Rossi Zardes getting the cross in. Taylor knocked down. Morris!
It's a hopeful ball from Gyasi Zardes. An important cross into the box. You felt it coming, Stu. The pressure was mounting and building. And you knew eventually that dam would crack. And Jordan Morris hit it sweet. And that may have just won him a championship.
The United States, CONCACAF Gold Cup champions.